Hello, I'm Dr. Tang from UOW Malaysia KDU. I'm going to show you an experiment that can be done using household items. Do you know that carbon dioxide is heavier than air? Let's do an experiment to prove it. In this experiment, I'll be using the fire extinguishing property of carbon dioxide as the observation for the presence of the gas. To generate carbon dioxide, I only need to add baking soda into vinegar. The acetic acid in the vinegar reacts with baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, to produce sodium acetate, carbon dioxide, and water. Remove the vinegar bottle and put on the cap. Now I have a bottle of carbon dioxide. Although it is invisible, it is there. Observe what happens to the lighted candle as I pour the gas down the gutter. You can see that the carbon dioxide gas is flowing downwards, putting out the flame instead of dispersing upwards. There you go, a simple experiment to show that carbon dioxide is heavier than air. Thank you for watching.